Hello, everyone. This is Jordan Luker, and welcome to my presentation on blockchain technology in Ireland. So, first, we'll go over what is blockchain technology. And to put it in simple terms, it's a growing list of records for the most part, and those records are also known as blocks in this case. But how is a block created? So, this is from the textbook. New transactions created, and then each node collects the information about the new transaction. Each node then works upon verifying the transaction. Once it's verified from all the nodes, the block is accepted. And finally, the validated block is added to the chain database and worked on by creating the next block. So there are a couple different types of blockchain technology. There's public, private. Public obviously means anyone can access it. Private means you have a select group of people who can access it. Then there's semi-private and consortium. So a little bit more complicated, more of it dealing with groups of blockchains in those situations. So some applications of blockchain. The big one really seems to be healthcare and using blockchain technology to better the efficiency of healthcare. There's more blockchain technology seen in the use of education. Both of those are UN SDGs. And then I read in the book that blockchain technology is also used in video games in certain situations, which I found to be really interesting. So, for a SWOT analysis of a blockchain company, I chose IBM. They've been around for a long time, since about 1918. But now they've sort of expanded into that blockchain technology. Some strengths: pioneer in cloud technology, strong brand reputation, diversified business and geography, and interrelated products. Some weaknesses: they have generic products, declining popularity, stiff competition, and some expensive solutions, including the blockchain technology. Some opportunities of IBM: expansion of their software division, growing demand for cloud services, accelerated digital transformation, and expansion/acquisition. Finally, the threats: failure to innovate, unfavorable laws, and failure to be predictable with market trends. Sometimes IBM could be a bit volatile between market trends. So, some barriers to blockchain adoption. Blockchain is one of the biggest rising technologies in the world right now. But a couple of the barriers are regulatory uncertainty. There's a lot of questions surrounding whether there's going to be regulations about blockchain, how those regulations are going to put out, how much it's going to affect the private versus public sector, lack of trust. There's some lack of trust of security, even though blockchain's pretty secure as a technology compared to a lot of others. It's now being used in banking as well. The ability to network together is another problem. And then there's also the problem of interconnectivity between blockchains, different blockchains. It's hard to work together between each other. So then you have problems of you can't really work together if you're using a different blockchain company versus a Windows and a Mac that can work together. And so, blockchains in Ireland, how's it being used? As I said before, being used in banking in a collaborative project known as Project Greenway to explore the application of blockchain technology in payment, blockchain technology to help in consulting for the public and private sector. Blockchains are being used in education, which is a UN SDG, and offering courses to develop blockchain talent. And finally, it's being used for supply chain efficiency. And that is from the Irish Tech News on the state of blockchain in Ireland. So here's the two truths and a lie. There's still a lot of uncertainty in the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology can be used in video games, or blockchain technology is not fast growing. I'll give you a couple seconds to decide which one's the lie. All right, the lie was blockchain technology is not fast growing. It is, in fact, one of the fastest growing technologies right now. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for listening.